Okay, hi everyone. This is the first video for the VeganAttack. It is a candle and fragrance product company for now. This is majority of the products that I got. These are mailers, that's candle stuff in that corner. Those are fragrances. These are the three options I have. The middle is 30 milliliter. The right side is 100 milliliter, and the left side is 200 milliliters, and inside it is some perfumers fragrance alcohol, perfumers grain alcohol. um Rest of this is other essential oils and liquids, probably for candles, because you don't just make a candle with plain old wax and have it smelling like something. And that's about it. I'm gonna have to put a link for this to Etsy.